Hello! Today we'll delve into how to set up a Bundle Upsell button in Easy Bundles. Begin by navigating to the Edit button and selecting Bundle Upsell. You'll find two options, Bundle Upsell Button and Upsell Block. We'll start with the Bundle Upsell button. This button can either be displayed on all products selected in a specific step or across an entire collection. When we say collection, we mean all products that are part of that active collection. You also have the option to select specific products where the Bundle Upsell button will appear. The design and color of the button can be customized using the Design Control panel in the Easy Bundle settings. When a customer clicks this button, they'll be directed to the corresponding bundle. Next, we have the Bundle Upsell Block, which features a widget. Click on Offer Bundle Upsell Block to see what it looks like. You can also update the image on this block. Just like the button, interacting with the Bundle Upsell widget will redirect you to the corresponding bundle. To activate either of these options, go to Themes, then Customize, and enable the Theme App extension. If the Bundle Upsell button isn't activating from here, go to the specific product page, click on Add Block Apps, and select Easy Bundle Upsell. This will make the Bundle Upsell button or block visible on the page. It's usually activated once you enable it from here, but if it isn't, you can also enable it from your themes. And that's how you set up and enable the Bundle Upsell button in Easy Bundles. Thank you so much.